Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Payson, Utah, home to Intermountain Nutrition, a leading contract manufacturer of nutritional supplements. They create products for some of the world's most popular brands found in Costco, Walmart, Amazon, Whole Foods, and other major retailers. Founded in 2013, Intermountain Nutrition was built on a simple belief: supplements should be made by people who care about the families who use them. Their team blends and packages protein powders, nutritional gummies, vitamin capsules, and more. More than 250 passionate employees come to work every day knowing their efforts touch health and well-being around the world. Experts in nutrition, biochemistry, and food regulations work side by side with clients to create premium formulations designed to improve quality of life. Team members understand the responsibility they carry. Clients count on Intermountain Nutrition to help keep consumers safe, and that trust shapes every decision on the floor. Their advanced equipment delivers impressive scale, up to 27 million capsules per day, rapid high-volume powder blending, and nutritional gummies with exceptional taste and consistency. Their state-of-the-art facility is supported by robust quality control systems, including an on-site full-scale lab. This allows brands to move faster without compromising confidence or compliance. From formulation and testing to manufacturing and packaging, health and wellness brands rely on Intermountain Nutrition as a long-term partner. Registered with major regulatory bodies and holding industry-leading certifications, Intermountain Nutrition continues to set the standard in nutraceutical manufacturing. Visit them today at intermountainnutrition.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.